I'm John Cooper with John Cooper & Associates, and I am pleased to introduce our latest listing located at 1386 Graham Crescent. This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home includes a self-contained 1-bedroom and den income suite complete with its own hydrometer. Let's go check it out. Welcome to 1386 Graham Crescent, situated in Nanaimo's Hospital District, also known as Central Nanaimo. This home sits on a centrally located, low-maintenance 4,000 square foot lot. The home itself includes over 2,100 square feet of living space with an additional attached garage. Upstairs, you'll find a nicely laid out 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom living space with a primary suite and attached 4-piece ensuite. The kitchen flows nicely into the living space with access to the backyard. Downstairs, you'll find a self-contained 1-bedroom and den income suite, complete with its own separate entrance, hydrometer, and independent laundry. The level driveway has ample parking, along with an abundance of available street parking. This property is within walking distance to Quarterway Elementary School, the Nanaimo Regional Hospital, and a number of shopping plazas. To book a private showing or to get a full information package, including floor plans, reach out to me or my team at johncooper.ca. I'm John Cooper with John Cooper & Associates eXp Realty, and we are ready when you are.